file related with the proposal for the constitution of Tiger Reserve for the state of Goa had went missing on 23rd March 2000. But after 7 years now, Panjim police have registered an FIR against a known accused person or persons for committing theft of that file on the basis of a complaint given by Deputy Conservator of Forests. In the complaint, it has been mentioned that on 23rd March 2018, it was noted that the file related with the proposal for the constitution of Tiger Reserve for the state of Goa had went missing. Recently, this matter had come up before the Supreme Court also, and Supreme Court was surprised to know that till date, FIR has not been registered. But after delay of more than 7 years, now the FIR has been registered, that too against the unknown accused person. Though, according to sources, Panjim police have initiated investigation in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.